Wants to take your business to the next level, boost customer trust, and meet global quality standard, then you need to know about ISO 9001, one of the most powerful certification in the world. Hi, I'm Anjali from Diligence Certification, and in today's video we are going to discuss about ISO 9001, what it is, why it is important, and how to get certified. ISO 9001 is an internationally recognized standard for establishing quality management system. It was introduced by International Organization for Standardization to help businesses boost customer satisfaction, streamline process, and ensure consistent quality. This standards follows a process-based approach, encourage risk-based thinking, and requires organization to consider their internal and external context. With millions of certifications globally, ISO 9001 is the world's most widely adopted management standard. Core principles. At the heart of ISO 9001, there are 7 core principles: customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision making, relationship management. These principles that your business delivers consistent quality and keep improving over time. Why ISO 9001 is essential? ISO 9001 isn't just about compliance, it is also about business excellence. Here is why organizations choose this certification: build customer trust, streamline internal processes, support legal and regulatory compliance, boost employee involvement and clarity in roles, enhance eligibility for tenders and global markets. QMS explained, a quality management system is a structured framework of policies, processes, and responsibilities that ensure that your organization meets customer and regulatory requirements. ISO 9001 outlines how to design, document, implement, and continually improve the system. It is suitable for every type of business, from manufacturing to services and startup to large enterprises. How to get ISO 9000 certified? Here is the step-by-step process. Step 1. Internal audit. Review your current processes and identify gaps. Step 2. Management review. Top management evaluates findings and allocates resources. Step 3. Corrective actions. Fix non-conformities and strengthen your QMS. Step 4. Stage 1 audit. Certification body checks your documentation. Step 5. Stage 2 audit. Auditors visit your workplace to verify implementation. Final step. Certification issued. Once you meet all requirements, your ISO 9001 certificate is granted, globally recognized and valid for 3 years with surveillance audit. At Diligence Certification, we are here to guide you from start to end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more compliance. Thanks for watching.